Want to vibrate your iPhone once you get message notifications on your iPhone? Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio, and today's guide I'll show you how to turn on the message vibration on your iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get started. But now to turn on the message vibration, open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down and tap on notifications. Under the notification, you just need to scroll down and find out the messages app. So I'm going to tap on messages, but if you want to do it for other application, you can do that as well. And from here, you just need to scroll down and tap on sound here. And you'll get to see I have selected sound for my messages. Now if you enable the vibration, go ahead and tap on haptics at the very top right here. You'll get to see it selected with a none. So what you have to do, you just need to select either the synchronize the default vibration, or you can select any standard vibration that you want. And once you have select one of these haptics from here, your iPhone will vibrate whenever you get the messages on your iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.